Hey, what's up, guys? This is Victor from Simple Hack TV. So, today we're going to learn how to manage cookies on our mobile device on our Chrome browser. So, first, what do we mean by cookies? Actually, cookies are small pieces of data that are stored on our devices, maybe on your computer or on your mobile phone, by websites that you visit. They are actually necessary for remembering login information, tracking user preferences, and helping websites to load faster. Some websites that you actually visit, after visiting them, there are some of their data that are stored on your device so that the next time you visit those websites, they may load faster. For example, there are some websites that you actually visit and they tend to take much time to load. Most times, due to the pictures and files on the website, those websites tend to consume much of your data in order to load. But if you observe, when you visit those websites again, they just somehow load faster. That's because of these cookies that are saved. So the data of the websites are actually stored on your device, so that when next you visit them, they will actually load faster. Cookies are actually necessary for remembering login details, login information, tracking user preference, and helping websites to load faster, as I said earlier. So cookies are a very, very important part of your browsers. So talking about login details, if you notice, there are some websites that you visit and then it automatically fills in your login details on the input field. So these are also as a result of cookies that are saved. So managing your browser cookies is actually essential for maintaining your online privacy. So there are sometimes where you may be conscious of your privacy. For example, if your phone is easily accessible by people, you may want to save your information. For example, if you give your phone to someone and the person visits the site and automatically your login details just loads on the input feed, the person may easily be able to get your login details in that way. But if cookies are cleared from your phone, then your login details won't automatically reflect there. So also it's essential for security and also to optimize your browser experience. So today we actually learn how to manage cookies on Chrome. So some of the reasons why you also want to clear your cookie, as I earlier said, for privacy, for security, for personalization, to personalize your data. It's also necessary sometimes if you want to give your phone to someone, or you just got a new phone and you want to hand your phone over to someone to use. Just refreshing your browser or deleting your tabs like these ones I have up here may not be enough. You actually may need to do some cleaning onto your cookies in order to remove your login details, to remove your credit card details, and so many details that may be stored on your phone from websites. So I'll teach you today how you can manage your browser cookies. So at first you have to look for Chrome. I think I already have Chrome here, so I just click on Chrome and then I'll go over to see, and then you notice, you see this hamburger icon here, this 3 dots icon, this 3 dots here. You click on it and then there are two ways you can go, but I'll choose settings, and then you have your Gmail there. So you go over to site settings. When you go over to site settings, you see cookies right here at the top most part. Click on cookies and then you see either to allow cookies or to block third-party cookies on incognito, and also you see block third-party cookies generally, and the last option, block all cookies. So as it is my phone now, it's just to block third-party cookies in incognito. If you click on allow all cookies, this will allow every website you visit to save of their data on your device. So all browsers you visit will be able to save their data on your device. And the downside to this also is that some sites may not be able to load faster because of too much of data that are being stored your device, so it can also lag some other websites that you may want to visit because of space issues. So if you allow cookies, then it's we all cookies, both third-party cookies. When you talk about third-party cookies, we are talking about those websites that you actually didn't visit directly, maybe through ads. There are ads that are being sent. Sometimes third-party websites may send their ads through those mediums, so those details of those third-party websites may also be saved on your device when you allow all cookies. So you can go with either of them, whichever one you want, or you block all cookies. But if you block all cookies, it actually has downside. Blocking all cookies has downside to the proper functioning on your activities on Chrome. Some of the downsides are, for example, session management. There are some websites that actually work with session management. If you're a developer, you understand that. So what we mean by session management is that there are some websites that actually maintain session, most especially those e-commerce websites and some websites that that manage your activities that you have to log into. Those websites are actually held by session. Those websites actually track that you're the one on a particular page after logging into the website through session. So when you log into the website, sessions are saved. That particular session is saved. So when you navigate as a user on the website, the session remains there to stop you from being logged out. That's why sometimes, even if a friend of yours log into some websites and then you copy the URL and send to your own mobile device, the moment you paste and you enter the URL, it will actually show it will redirect you back to the login page. Those are because of sessions on your friend's phone. These have been saved, so those sessions are saved, so your friend can actually navigate over the website. Another user can navigate. The current user, which is your friend in this case, can actually navigate the entire pages on that website as a logged in user. But if you try to access it from another device, because sessions are not saved on that other device for that user, you may not be able to log in you may not be able to access those pages as the user, even if you copy the entire URL. So those are as a result of sessions. So if you block all cookies, it disrupts sessions. So you may log in and then the website will direct you back to log in again, because sessions are destroyed in that case. Also, for user authentication, it's also very similar to what I just explained. Users you may need to re-log in and log in even if you decide to come to visit the site again. Sometimes there are some sites that you log into now, then when you leave the site like for 5 hours, even if you come back to that site, you discover that you are still logged in. Sessions are if you block all cookies on your browser, on your next visit you may have to re-log in again. Another disadvantage of blocking cookies is for the purpose of tracking and analysis. Some of these websites actually track your activities on their website in order to give you a better user experience. So when you block cookies, so those websites may not be able to get a complete grasp of your activities on their website for them to know how to serve you better. So those are some of it. So for me, I prefer, even if you want to block, just block third-party cookies which you may not need, or just block this one, or just block third-party cookies on incognito mode. So that's how you can select either to allow or to block cookies. Then another thing, for those that may want to change, for those that may want to give us their phones and they want to clear all cookies, what you can do is you go back and then you search for privacy and security. When you search for privacy and security, you come over to clear browsing data, and then you click on cookies and sites. So if you're to clear this, what will happen is that it's going to clear all recent cookies that had been on your phone, though you won't be logged out of your device your Chrome, but it will definitely clear all cookies, all sites you visited. It will clear all cookies that has been saved. So it's very simple. You just click on these ones and then you click on clear data, but I'm not going to do that now for some reasons. I'm not going to do that now. So that's how you manage cookies. That's what you need to know about cookies, and that's how you manage it. Please. So thanks for watching. If you find this video helpful, I would love you to subscribe, and you can also give it a thumbs up. And if you would love to get more content that I create later in the future, you can just click on the notification bell. And also, your comments are very, very important to me. Thanks for watching, and have a nice day.